Begin recording.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and I am talking a bit louder than normal because right when I get ready to press record, somebody wants to cut their grass outside of the studios. And I also wanted to illustrate a point. It's actually a good thing that they are. But this particular video is how do you take the audio, whether it's from a video or regular audio files, and increase the volume when something is low. Now, Leslie writes in on YouTube and thanks me for doing the video. She got a lot out of it. She's a client of Fedora. She increased her YouTube viewership exponentially. But the audio quality, when I was showing you guys how to shoot the best quality video, was actually on purpose. It was low on purpose so that I can show you how do you increase the volume out of your audio files using the app that you already have, which is GarageBand. Now, the reason why those people are cutting their grass, well, not the reason why they're cutting their grass, but it's a good thing that they are cutting their grass, because I want you to know that if everything is recorded on the same track. Now, what does that mean? Now, I could have a microphone connected to that lawnmower, 1 track. I could have a microphone connected to me, 2 tracks. And I could have a microphone connected to my dog, 3 tracks. Those are 3 separate tracks. And when you have 3 separate tracks, if you turn one down, turn the other one up, turn the other one to medium, you can control each track separately. When it's all in the same track, which means while I'm talking now, you can hear that lawnmower. If I turn up the volume, then guess what's going to happen? Everything is going to be turned up. But the good thing about it, let's say you get a song off of YouTube, it's a little low. You want to go in and you want to raise it. Cool. Now this is on raising the volume when you have a video. And you want to raise the volume inside of that video. Let's say you shot something great, you listen back to it, you realize that the video is a little low, the audio of the video is a little low. You just want to increase the volume and still have that great content to be able to pull out. Now, I am showing you this on GarageBand. It is a bit limited. If you were to have Logic, there is a lot of other parameters you can set, a lot more latitude you'll have, a lot of things that you're able to do. But since we're on GarageBand, I'm going to show you. Now, I'm going to go over to GarageBand.
GarageBand. Untitled 2. Tracks. Window. 0 pan. Circular slider.
All right.
Pen/balance knob. Drag vertically to position the track signal in the stereo field.
Yeah, all of that. So you want to create a new project inside of GarageBand. You want to create a new audio project. None of that really matters. You just want a new project open. And then I want you to go to the File menu. I want you to go to Movies. And I want you to open the movie that you want to edit, wherever that is on your computer. So let me demonstrate.
Menu bar. Apple. Garage. File. New ellipse. Open ellipse. Open iCloud. Close command. Save command. Save as a page setup. Print. Dim command. Movie. Submenu.
See movie, submenu.
Movie. Submenu. Open movie. Ellipsis command option.
Open movie.
Oscar.
Now my movie is already open, but I'm going to show you what you will get when you open your movie, which is basically the Finder.
Open movie. Open. Dialog. Back. Dimmed. Button. Vertical split. Column. Cancel. Button. Column view. Browser.
All right. And so wherever your movie is, you find it here, and then you go to
Open. Dimmed. Button.
Open. All right. I'm going to cancel out of this because I already have the movie that I want open.
Cancel. Button. Untitled 2. Tracks. Window. 0 pan. Circular slider.
All right. And it takes a minute for the movie to get imported into GarageBand, and I'm going to save you that time now. Once you have the movie open, you want to navigate over to the tracks header. You want to interact with that header, and you want to go over to decibels, right? Wrong. Right. Well, I mean, you're not wrong, and I'm right, but here you go.
0 pan. Circular slot plus 0.0. Input monitoring. Unchecked. Solo. Unchecked. Mute. Unchecked. I'll name this post later on May 6, 2020.
So that's the name of my movie.
Mute. Solo. Input plus 0.0 decibels. Volume. Slider.
All right.
Volume
Zero.
slider. Set a track's playback
Shut
volume.
up.
Use on the master track to set the overall project volume.
All right. And so what you want to do is take the decibel from 0. Now, what is 0? 0 is unity. 0 is where it's at. And you want to raise it, right? Right. This time you're right, because we're right. Interact with it. I'm not going to teach you how to interact. If you're using VoiceOver on the Mac, you should know how to interact. That's my motto.
In slider.
All right. So it tells me I'm in the slider. And what do I want to do? I want to slide to the right. So I hold down the VoiceOver keys and I press the right arrow. Well, let's hear it at Unity. I'm going to press play. Spacebar. Now that's me talking on the video. And I'm... All right, and I'm going to raise the volume, pressing VO right.
Plus 1.0 decibels.
1.0 decibels.
Plus 2.0 decibels.
2, getting a little louder.
Plus 3.0 decibels.
3, tad bit louder as well.
Plus 4.0 decibels. Plus 5.0 decibels.
5,
Plus 6.0 decibels.
and 6, and it gets louder.
21 bars, 4 beats, 4 divisions, 84 ticks.
We'll go back to the beginning.
1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick.
I'm going to go up a couple of bars.
2 bars, 3 bars, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick.
I'm going to press play. And there you have it. The volume is louder. Now, what do you want to do? You want to
11 bars, 1 beat, 3
stop
divisions, 1.
both of us from talking. And then you want to, once you have that volume the way you want it, is go back to the file menu.
Menu bar, Apple. File.
You want to go down to movie.
File. Menu. Movie. Submenu. Movie. Remove. Export audio to movie ellipsis.
And you want to export that audio to movie. And it's an ellipsis. So the finder is going to open up, ask you where you want to save it. And you save it, and then you upload it to whatever social media that you want. Just for and giggles, I'm going to go ahead and press return.
Export audio to movie. Location and name of new movie. Dialogue. Save as. Location and name
Now
of...
you can rename it. You can add the location.
I named this post later on May 6, 2020. 20 at 09.07.58 M4V. Content selected. Save as. Edit text. Location and name of new movie. Save as.
Movie file
Tags.
format.
Tags. Tag it back. Dip forward. Dip group. New phone. Ecom. Show less. Search text. Side. Verticals. Column. Preset. SD. Up to new phone. Cancel. Save. Button.
All right. And you can save it. Don't worry about those other settings in there. You know, they are important, but they don't change anything that you already have pre-recorded. So I'm going to cancel.
Cancel. Button. Untitled 2.
And, of course, if you
Plus
want
6.0
more
decibels. Volume. Slider.
of the 6.0 decibel volume slider, more tools, tactics, techniques, tips for recording video, editing audio. We do have a course for that. Audio Performance Series, the Video Performance Series. Anything dealing with audio and video that you want to know, we can help you. All the way down to lighting. I look very crisp in my videos. Ask somebody. Ask somebody. What does this guy look like in his videos? Very nice. So lighting, videography, be it the iPhone or whatever device you're using, editing audio, editing video, we have it here. Anything that you want to know about your Mac and its capabilities. 9 times out of 10, we have done it. And speaking of doing it,
Ecom
I want you guys to change the world, and let's change the world together.
Axe Visual Support Agent has no window. GarageBand. GarageBand. Ecom Live. Ecom and record.